Gates open, they're up and racing. Celestial draws for your lead. Alam mo na yan. Moving upon the outside, Raymond Star is sneaking in down on the inside. Is entry number 1, Bombardier, followed by entry number 3, Even Now. Doña Erica, and on the outside is 3A, Make No Mistake, dashing. Next in line, King's Crown, followed by Holy King, Buenas Hope. Then comes Deep Rising, and Shame on You is bringing up the rear. Heading towards the last 800, the order, alam mo na yan, in command by about 3 lengths. Running in second by the rail, Bombardier. In between runners comes Make No Mistake. And moving upon the outside to take second is Raymond Star. About to pass the last 800, the order is alam mo na yan by about a length and a half. Followed by entry number 4, Raymond Star. By the release, Bombardier, and racing in fourth is Even Now. Then comes dashing in fifth, followed by Apple Splash. Doña Erica comes next. Make No Mistake is by the rail, Buenas Hope. Holy King, then fourth last, King's Crown. Third last, Deep Rising, Shame on You. And Celestial now in behind them as they turn for home. Raymond Star leading the field, running at the center is Bombardier. Running by the rail is Even Now. Raymond Star this time by about a length and a half, followed by Bombardier. With the last 100 meters more to run, Raymond Star this time by about 4 lengths. And finally, it's going to be Raymond Star. Bombardier. 3A, Make No Mistake, Apple Splash, and number 13, alam mo na yan, for your Pentapekta.